Morning friend, today I am going to discuss the preparation of nitric acid. So first of all, let us see what is the nitric acid. So that is HNO3 is the nitric acid, and it is having the two name. First name is the aqua fortis. Meaning of aqua fortis is strong water. What is meaning of this? Aqua fortis means strong water. Why this strong water means it reacts with all the metals. It reacts with all the metals except two. All the metals except two. First one is gold and next one is Pt. So why this is the aqua fortis is the Latin word, meaning is the strong water, and meaning of strong water is the it react with the all the metal except the gold and platinum. And second name of the nitric acid is spirit of nitre. What is meaning of this spirit of nitre? Because it is prepared from the nitrates and concentrated sulfuric acid. That is why they are known as spirit of nitre. So why spirit of nitre? Because it is prepared from that is nitrate. Any nitrate you can take, that is potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate, and with concentrated H2SO4. So that is why this is known as what? Spirit of nitre. Now what we have to do, we have to see that is what are the methods of their preparation. So there are three methods of preparation are there. First one laboratory method, and second one Ostwald method, and third one is Edward method. So that is laboratory. First method we are going to understand laboratory method. So laboratory method is quite easy methods, and this is not the conventional, because very small amount of the nitric acid get prepared from the laboratory method. So laboratory method, what we take, generally we take the nitrates, either you take that is potassium nitrate or you take that is sodium nitrate, and if you are treating this nitrate with the concentrated H2SO4, so it will give that is nitric acid. So let us see what are the equation. The potassium nitrate with the nitric acid, it is giving what? HNO3 plus potassium hydrogen sulfate, KHSO4. Similarly, it will give that is nitric acid when you are reacting with the sodium nitrate. So it will give nitric acid plus sodium hydrogen sulfate, NaHSO4. So this is the first method of the preparation of the nitric acid. Now let us understand what is the second methods of the preparation of the nitric acid. And second method of preparation of nitric acid is known as Birkeland-Eyde method or Birkeland-Eyde process. So second method is, we are writing here, Birkeland-Eyde method. This method is actually a very old method, and this method is not in convention now. Why it is not being in convention? Because preparation is very high, okay, very costly, and secondly the product which is from nitric acid is very small in quantity. And why the product is very high? Because in this electric arc is required, and that electric arc should be above 300 degrees Celsius. So because of that it is costly method. That is why now it is not being used. In this method what we use, we take the nitric oxide and treat with the oxygen, and with the help of the electric arc. So like this electric arc, and what temperature we will use for the electric arc? That is 3000 Kelvin. So it will give that is nitric oxide, okay, that is. And to this nitric oxide again react with that is the oxygen, it will give that is nitrogen dioxide. So this will give the 2NO2, and this nitrogen dioxide that is 3NO2 react with the water, it will give that is 2 molecule of nitric acid, okay, 2 molecule of nitric acid HNO3 along with the nitrogen that is nitric oxide. So this is the 3 steps are there in the preparation of Vauquelin-Ait method, in which the nitric oxide reacting with the oxygen, it will giving again nitric oxide, 2 mole of nitric oxide. That nitric oxide again react with oxygen, it is giving nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide dissolve in water giving the nitric acid. Now last method, the important method is Ostwald process. So let us see what is the Ostwald process. This is the industrial methods of preparation of the nitric acid, and this method is used because in this process maximum amount of the nitric acid is formed and prepared from the ammonia. So what are the, this is also involved in 4 steps. So ammonia is treated with dioxygen, with the, that is dioxygen, that is air, oxygen present in air. So it will give, that is nitric oxide, and along with this it will also give the water. This nitric oxide again react with the oxygen, dioxygen, and it give the nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2. And dioxide nitrogen react dissolve in water and giving the nitric acid. So 3 NO2, if you take 3 NO2, it will react with water, it will give, that is 2 mole of nitric acid. So this is 2 mole of nitric acid and nitric oxide also. So this is the Ostwald process. This also involving in the 3 step, but in first step we are taking the ammonia oxidized or getting burned, so giving nitric oxide. This nitric oxide again react with oxygen giving nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide dissolve in water giving the nitric acid. So this is all about the preparation of nitric acid. Thank you so much for watching, friends.